Hello M-class drivers of the world. Here is Thomas speaking from Germany. My English is not the good, but I want to tell you a very important thing, in my opinion. My brake calipers from the front wheel in the front left was not totally open. So the disc and the disc brakes were heated up and they started to smoke. So I stopped my car and I was waiting for a couple of minutes, and then I could press back the brake caliper and the brake pad. So I switched off the ignition and switched it on, so the problem was gone. So on the next step, I asked my friend, he's a car mechanic, and he told me perhaps the problem is from the module. The modules are in the fusebox in the front of the engine on the left side and the near of the windshield. This is the windshield, this is a fusebox. If you open this latch, you can take off this cover, and after this you can see the relays and the fuses in this corner, and here in this corner there is a screw. This is screw 1, 2. This must be taken off. Then the next one is here, outside. Then the next one here and here. If you remove the 5 screws, you can take off this cover. And in this area, there are a lot of wires. Under these wires is a blower fan, this one, so it looks. I'll show you. It's from Bosch. There is a little brush engine motor, a little brush motor, electric brush motor in it, and the brushes are worn out. My M-class is from 2001, and I think it's old enough, so it can go bad. Okay. You can remove this blower van. In this area there's a spring, I think it calls latch, spring latch. You press it away, and so you can remove this blower van. You can also check without open the box. If you put your ear in the near of the box and switch on the ignition, you must hear the van. He is blowing. And if not, it could be. And if he cannot blow fresh cold air in the system, then the two modules overheat and you get problem with the brake in my case. And a friend of mine told me many problems are from this blower, caused by this blower. Okay. You can write in the comments if you have the same problem, or if you can fix it in this way. This is this blower van. Okay. Thanks for watching.